Hey everyone, this is Jeff from Love Your Customer, and this is episode 13. On this episode, I want to speak about chatbots and their impact on businesses. Chatbots have evolved a long way prior to the invention of chat support system, the customer care. As far as the history is concerned, every business has faced challenges with customer care, and they were looking for a better solution. And technology took their lead and came up with live chat support, which enabled more customers to deal with the business customer executives at a single point of time in an instantaneous fashion, which made it a great historic successful one with their live support live chat support system. And then what happened was it wasn't still cost efficient. It was still causing companies to lose huge volumes of money, and we can always see from the computer industry where companies, they came up with plans to replace parts rather than try to find a defect or repair those parts. They actually replace the entire set so that the entire set can be replaced at a much cheaper cost than having a customer service department. On that note, technology took their play again, and now they have come up with the chatbots, which is kind of trending across all channels, because normal chatbots, when they previously invented it, they had to code all the possible scenarios what a customer could come up with, and answers have to be hard-coded, which means it's not dynamic. The answers are preloaded, and it is not specific to each problem the consumer might have. And this problem was recently solved by artificial intelligence and natural language processing, where the machine learning can identify patterns in which words are grouped, how words are being conveyed by the consumer, and these machine learning models can identify those patterns and learn from it, just like a small kid would learn from every new thing it learns. The same way these machines learn how to handle customer queries, and this was a major breakthrough with the advancement of the GPUs, graphical processing units, and these kind of stuff enabled millions of computations to take place within hours time, which enabled these chatbots to be trained on a large data set, on a data set from previous customer and customer care executive interactions. These models could learn from those interactions very quickly, identify patterns in which the words were used, and this was a significant change for businesses, where now businesses can allocate resources from the customer care to either sales or to the production team, which is going to make their business model more efficient, and as well as enabling employees to get much higher salary than they would have got had they stayed as a customer care executive. And this is one big change the chatbots have come up with. If you haven't checked it, if you are a business, please do go ahead and check chatbots and their effectiveness, and recently how the recurrent neural networks have made the chatbot more efficient and able to interact like how humans would interact in a conversation. So, and hope you're having a great weekend.